Let's start.
Yes.
Which part of the body has all the sense organs?
Head.
What comes between Wednesday and Friday?
Thursday.
Which part of the plant is tasty?
Fruit.
Name the beautiful part of the plant.
Flowers.
Good. What is the color of leaf when it is dries?
Yellow.
What fuel do we fill in cars?
Petrol and diesel.
The tadpole grows into a
Baby frog.
How many planets do we have in solar system?
8 planets.
Who puts out fire?
Fireman.
Who uses a fire engine?
Fire engine man.
Which fruit is rich in vitamin C?
Orange.
Apples are rich in
Iron.
Which fruit comes in bunch?
Grapes. I like grapes. Green color.
What is the color of your hair?
Black. Black.
Name the vehicles that do not need any fuel.
Bicycle. I like cycle.
How many wheels the following vehicles have? Auto rickshaw,
3.
car.
4.
Where does bus halt?
Bus stop.
Where do wild animals live?
Forest.
Good. Where do domestic animals live?
House.
Where does the dog live?
Kennel.
Which flower grows in water?
Lotus. Lotus.
Where do birds live?
Tree.
How many wings do birds have?
2.
Which bird sleep in day and wakes at night?
Owl.
Who does control the traffic?
Traffic police.
Which plant grows in desert?
Cactus.
What are the peoples of India called?
Indians.